Hello, welcome to Guide Glimpse.
How to fix BloodStrike not opening. So here's a step-by-step guide on how to fix your BloodStrike if it's not opening. So if you're doing the phone, I'm just gonna give you a quick tip for you guys. If you're doing phone, just watch a video in guide glimpse on how to clear cache. That's all you need to do. Just clear cache, or if it clear cache not working, just uninstall and install the game, and make sure your internet is working. Now, if you're doing it on PC and you're using Steam like me, right here, all you need to do is right click on here, properties. After clicking properties, go to installed files right here. Then click on verify integrity of game files. After doing that, just wait for this one right here. As you can see, it's very fast and quick. So as you can see, it's right now it's on 21%. So there you go. As you can see, it's very fast. It just check the game and just update stuff. If there's a missing file or stuff like that, it will just update it and it will fix it immediately. So that's what it does when verifying integrity files. So yeah, there you go, guys. After doing that, let's say right here, and there you go. Two files failed to validate and will be required. So that means there's two files that are bugging fixed. Now the game fixed it, Steam fixed it. Now it's okay to play. You can just now click on play right here, and it will run good as new. And now another way, if it doesn't work, I suggest uninstall it, then install it again. There you go, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed. If you have any more questions, type it in the comment section below, guys. Happy to answer you guys, and thank you, guys.
If you like the video, please consider giving us a thumbs up and subscribing for more content like this. Thank you.